Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to make a playlist on YouTube Music application. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's begin to make a playlist on YouTube Music app. Tap open the application first, and sign into your account if necessary, once you're signed in from the home screen of YouTube Music app. In order to create a new playlist or add songs to an existing playlist, go to the playlist options, and from this page go and tap on New Playlist at the top. Once you do that, enter the title for your playlist, and you can set your privacy to public, unlisted, or private. If you set it to public, then anyone can search and view your playlist. If you tap on unlisted, anyone with a link can view your playlist. And if you set it to private only, you will be able to view your playlist. Select the privacy option of your choice, and tap on Create. Once you've created your playlist would look like this. Now in order to add a song to it, tap on Add Song and search for the music. You can also add music to your playlist from the options displayed below. Simply tap on the song you'd like to add it and tap on the three dots at the upper right corner. Now from the options, select Add to Playlist right here, and you'll be able to add it on your playlist. Select one of your existing playlists, and once you do that, the song will be added to one of your playlists that you chose. That is how you can easily create a new playlist and add songs to it. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.